थैंक यू किड्स, थैंक यू सो मच। हमने इनको सिखाते जब तक तालियां ना बजे तब तक हटना मत, और तालियां बजी नहीं। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक्स। The time for style, swag and attitude. Presenting our coolest dancer from weekend 1 p.m. batch. Can we have a clap and enjoy the beat with hip hop? Till the time our kids get it settled down. हमारे बीच आ चुके हैं रघुवीर जी, जो मुख्य कार्यकर्ता हैं आरएसएस के। मैं दिल से उनका आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ और उनको स्टेज पे आमंत्रित करती हूँ। कृपया करके 2 मिनट के लिए स्टेज पे आइए। आइए आइए सर, आइए ऊपर आइए प्लीज। I also would like to request Jugal Kishore uncle please. Chavla uncle please आइए। Now I request Amit to give the token of appreciation please, and a thanks note from our side. On keyboard we have Guneet and Miraya. Then we have Nishtha, guitar by Tushan, Manan along with vocals by Harshita and Miraya both. Once we are ready, we'll just open the curtain. Now I think it's a time for 2 minutes to sit back, relax and enjoy this musical performance. We are only left with 3 more performances. Post that, we'll start the reward ceremony of all our participants. Can we have a round of applause, please?
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा घबरा जाना, आओगे दिलों से चल बनाए आशियाँ, इतनी from weekend 1 p.m. batch.
Now audience, a sincere request to you, clap with the beat and enjoy the hip hop performance. So you all need to clap with the beat, okay?
रोमियो में मस्ती में पीछे की बस्ती में कल जो कब
Chaitanya Malhotra ji to please come on stage and give a token of reward and appreciation to our little stars. From the youngest student of our academy. Now guess the age till the time she or he comes on the stage. Let's end the suspense. Open the curtain, please. Age is just a number for her. प्यार से हम इनको कांची बुलाते हैं. आप भी बुला सकते हैं प्यार से कांची. She is the youngest performer from our side. That's what we believe in.
कांची.
Music. सीखना शुरू किया है। तो हमारी टैगलाइन में ये है, सीखेंगे तो जीतेंगे, सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती है। एंड दैट्स द लाइव एग्जांपल। थैंक यू सो मच कांची। Fitness plus dance. We have girls with us now, the young girls from our team who are going to perform. You are ready to feel the energy. Please welcome our energetic Zumba girls with loud cheers. Can we have a round of applause? Can we have a round of applause? अगर इतनी ब्यूटीफुल यंग गर्ल्स के लिए भी ताली नहीं बजाई, बच्चों के लिए भी नहीं बजाई, किसके लिए बजाएंगे? म्यूजिक।
सोन सोनिए नी तार तुड़ के सोन सोनिए नी तार तुड़ के तन तन हो गए तेरी हाँ सुन के तन तन हो गए तेरी हाँ सुन के
सुन सोनिया वे बंद के दी, सुन सोनिया वे बंद के दी, मेरी तलियां ते लगू तेरे राधी मेहंदी, मेरी तलियां ते लगू तेरे राधी मेहंदी।
सोन सोनिए जग दे ने तारे सोन सोनिए जग दे ने तारे मैनू सूहे सूहे लगी जांदे रंग सारे मैनू सूहे सूहे लगी जांदे रंग सारे
सुन सोनिया वे टिक्का बोले, सुन सोनिया वे टिक्का बोले, नेड़े नेड़े साडे रह साडा दिल डोले, नेड़े नेड़े साडे रह साडा दिल डोले।
ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੰਨ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਹੰਨੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਦੂ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੰਨੇ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੰਨ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਹੰਨੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਦੂ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੰਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਤਰੀ ਤੇ ਕੋਣੀਆਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਤਰੀ ਤੇ ਕੋਣੀਆਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਲੈ ਮਿਆਉਣੀਆਂ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਲੈ ਮਿਆਉਣੀਆਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਲੈ ਮਿਆਉਣੀਆਂ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਜੱਟ ਲੈ ਮਿਆਉਣੀਆਂ
DJ Nick, that's what it is. ਕਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਕਰ ਕੋਣ ਮੇਰੇ ਤਾਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਚੜਕਾਰਾ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਆ ਕਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਉਹਦੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਜੀ ਮਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੁਪਰ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ ਖੈ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ
Thank you. Now the final performance is the last performance of the day. Hold your heart. This is going to be a very, very special performance. We all know that in this April, we have completed first anniversary of Operation Sindoor. Some performances touch our heart deeply. This performance is dedicated to our brave armed forces. It is presented by a badge. And today, we are giving a name, instead of MWF badge, to a name to this badge. Because this badge is the badge who stands by us. This badge is the badge who always believe in Kaksha, and thanks to the parents also who stood by Kaksha. So from today, this badge will not be called by our MWF badge. We are giving a name, Kaksha Legacy Badge. Can we have a round of applause for Kaksha Legacy Badge, who is performing consistently from last 5 years, from our first annual day to the 5th annual day. Thank you so much, our little stars and parents and the faculty service also. Thank you so much.
22 अप्रैल 2025
पुलिस पर हमला। इस हमले में 27 की मौत जबकि दर्जनों घायल होने की सूचना।
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीन महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी
नया हिंदुस्तान है, एक घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा भी।
मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी, विंग कमांडर योमिका सिंह। क्या आप इस मिशन के लिए तैयार हो? यस मैम। क्या बनने के लिए आपका खुद खोलना है? यस मैम। वो आदि, इंडियन आर्मी, ऑक्सीजन, हाईवे, ऑक्सीजन, हाईवे, ऑक्सीजन, हाईवे।
को जीत घड़ी हम ये कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का अब देखो क्या करता है ये बता हिंदुस्तान का जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का मिट्टी का कैसे मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा टोपी का हाथ मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा दुनिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा मैं जाके मगर झाड़ दूंगा मैं उखाड़ दूंगा जहाँ से तू आया है ना वही तुझे गाड़ दूंगा तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा झंडा इंडिया का बने गाड़ दूंगा
लाडले जब सरहद जाएंगे हिचकी बन के याद आएंगे वो मिट्टी के बेटे जो वापस न लौटे जो वापस न लौटे वो मिट्टी के बेटे वो बातें अलबेले जो वापस न लौटे जो वापस न लौटे वो मिट्टी के बेटे इस मिट्टी के बेटे
Can we have a standing ovation please for them? It's for all our armed forces and the people who save us every day, day and night. हम अपने घर पे आराम से हैं क्योंकि वो सरहद पे हैं, तो इतना तो उनके लिए बनता है। क्या मेरे साथ एक बार सब बोलेंगे भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे, वंदे, जय हिंद। Thank you so much. Thanks. I request everybody to please be seated for 2 minutes more. As we come towards the end of the Kaksha Academy 5th Annual Day celebration, India se Bharat tak, my heart is filled with gratitude, emotions, and immense pride. Today, our children did not just perform on stage; they expressed confidence, creativity, discipline, and the spirit of teamwork. Every smile, every performance, and every applause made this evening truly memorable. I would like to sincerely thanks to all parents who always trusting and supporting Kaksha Academy like a family. Your encouragement motivate us to keep growing every year. A big thank you to all our teachers and the entire team Kaksha, whose hard work behind the scenes made this event possible. From practice to preparations, every effort was filled with dedication and love for the children. And my dear students, today you made all of us proud. Keep dreaming big, keep believing in yourself, and always move ahead in your life with positivity and confidence. Lastly, I would like to thank all our special members who joined us and making the celebration even more special with your presence. Thank you once again for being a part of Kaksha and making this evening so beautiful. We start the award ceremonies with us. Can we have a round of applause? I request all the teachers of Kaksha Academy be on the stage. I request all the paid teachers and all the participants to be on the stage. All participants of Academy and studio, please be on the stage to get your rewards.
It's a celebration of courage, faith, sleepless nights, and a dream that refused to give up. An academy is not built in a day. It is built in moments of doubt, in sacrifices that no one sees, and in silent prayers of those who stand behind the dream. Before we honor the faces you all know, let us honor the hearts that made them who they are. The ones who taught them to rise after every fall, the ones who believed in them when the world was uncertain, who stood quietly in the background but never stopped being their strength. Today, with immense gratitude, we invite on stage the proud parents of our respected founders, Mr. J.P. Malhotra and Mrs. Veena Malhotra. Every value, every decision, every success that we celebrate today carries a part of your upbringing. You may not stand here every day, but your presence feels in every achievement of this academy. We request to felicitate Sir and Ma'am. No words can truly match what you have given, but today we simply say thank you for shaping the dreamers who built this dream. And now the dreamers themselves. 5 years ago, this was an idea, a thought, a hope, or maybe a risk. But with the courage in their hearts and determination in their steps, they turned that small beginning into a place that shapes so many futures today. We invite on stage the pillars of this academy, our respected founders, Amit sir and Anya ma'am. You didn't just build an academy, you built a space where children grow, confidence is nurtured, and dreams begin. There must have been moments of exhaustion, moments of doubt, but you choose to keep going. That is why we stand here today. We now present the token of appreciation. This is not just a 5-year milestone, it is a story of belief, resilience, and love. And today, as we celebrate, we don't just look at how far we have come, we feel proud of who made it possible. Here's to the roots, here's to the dreams, and here's to many more beautiful years ahead.
Every member of Kaksha contribute to this journey, and you have seen on your own way, this was a surprise to me also. In their unique ways, some have recently joined us, some have been a part of Kaksha consistently supporting us with their presence, efforts and positivity. Today, as a gesture of love, gratitude and appreciation, we would like to honor them with a small token of thanks in a form of a plant. I request Yashika ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Shobha ma'am, Rakhi ma'am, Paras sir, Harpreet ma'am, Prabh sir, Ashu ma'am, Sachin sir, please be with us on this stage. Yashika ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Shobha ma'am, Rakhi ma'am, Paras sir, Priya ma'am, Harpreet ma'am, Prabh sir, Ashu sir, Sachin, please be on the stage with us. Can we have a round of applause, please, for our teachers? Thank you so much to each one of you for making Kaksha beautiful and safe place for all our kids and parents. Thank you so much. Thanks. Now we start with the Kaksha Appreciation Award. Behind every confident child and a successful performance, there is a teacher whose hard work, patience and dedication make all the difference. Tonight, we proudly honor the teachers who have consistently supported, guided and inspired our students with their sincere efforts, commitment towards Kaksha. I would like to request Gitika ma'am, Manpreet ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, Jaspreet ma'am, Muskan, Anita ma'am, Kishan sir, Surendra sir, Raman sir and Gunjan Veer, please be with us on the stage. Gitika ma'am, Gitika ma'am, Manpreet ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, Jaspreet ma'am, Muskan ma'am, Anita ma'am, Kishan sir, Surendra sir, Raman sir and Gunjan. Can we have a round of applause please? ये चेहरे हैं जो कभी कभी किसी को दिखते हैं, किसी को नहीं दिखते, पर यही वो हैं जो पूरी कक्षा को चलाते हैं. So please. We really appreciate each one of your efforts. Thank you so much for be with Kaksha and live our dreams together, which me and Amit thought for 5 years ago. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, each one of you. It's a time for a photograph, which I can't miss. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks, each one of you. Now the final awards for Kaksha, which is Kaksha Excellence Awards. Some teachers are not just a part of Kaksha. They truly live the dream of Kaksha every single day. These awards and dedicated to the mentors who always stood by Kaksha and our students, going beyond our responsibilities and being available in every possible way with a passion, dedication and unconditional support. With folded hearts, we would like to thank Poonam ma'am, Manjeet ma'am, Jasmine ma'am, Samneet ma'am and Sonu sir and Rajesh sir. Thank you very, very much. You guys made all the things possible. Each one of you is very, very dedicated to Kaksha. They live the dream with us. Before I say anything to them, they come up with all their suggestions and ideas that ma'am, ये बार इस बार ये miss हो रहा है, हम ये करते हैं. So hats off to you. They never thought of what is their responsibility, what is their KRA. Whatever comes in front of them, they receive it with a very, very gratitude and deliver what they believe to. So thank you so much, each one of you. Thanks a lot. So we have started this year Kaksha Excellence Awards. Thank you so much. And these are the people who stood by us from last 5 years. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot. Now one person is missing, who is a heart of Kaksha, who takes all the responsibilities and who manages my finances. I cannot forget her. She is the one who keep calling parents, fees, who keep calling everybody that this is not a safe place. Can somebody name? Yes. Now I would like to request Ruby also please be with us on the stage and receive the award. बहुत कंप्लेंट्स आती है मैम, आप रूबी मैम को बोलो मुझे फीस के लिए बहुत कॉल्स करती हैं, but truly believe that that's her work and that she is doing phenomenally good. So thank you so much. Thanks. Now it's a time of our students to receive the awards. We have a new batch which they got a name today. Since 1 hour ago we used to call them MWF batch. Now we have given a name. Please welcome our legacy batch. Naira. Can we have a round of applause please? Naira, Arohi, Vanya, Jimin, Harnees, Pihu, Siddhi, Manya and Ridhan. I want to say something. ये लोग 5 साल से ये स्टेज शेयर कर रहे हैं. जो बच्चे आज फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं, प्लीज लुक एट देम. ये बहुत छोटे थे जब इन्होंने कक्षा ज्वाइन किया था. Consistently for past 5 years they are performing for Kaksha. Each and every event, these are the kids who always perform and believe in Kaksha. And thanks to their parents also. हम बहुत परेशान करते हैं इनको कि हम इनके बच्चों को लेके जा रहे हैं. And they always say, मैम आपके बच्चे आप ले जाइए. So thank you so much to the parents also. Yes sir. Siddhi, she is with us for last 5 years. Pihu, Jimin Harnees, Vanya, Arohi, Naira, Manya, and Ridhan. Thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ruhansh, Yashika, Saisha, Kridha, Lavanika, Joysh, Naira, Vihana, Hardika, Riyansh, Rohit, Eka, Gaurisha, Ashvi, Naz for Taekwondo and dance both, Kiara, Krishika, Navishka, Avyan, Taekwondo and dance both, Vedanshi, Grant, Vanshika, Myra. Thank you so much kids, thanks for being with us. These guys have performed, some of them performed first time, some of them may have performed second time with us. So they all are stars for us. Can we have a round of applause? Aira, Ayana, Trishika, Meera, and Akanchi. Where is Akanchi? आप तो बीच में जाओ ना, आप सबसे यंगेस्ट हो ना। गुंजन, आयरा मिड्ढा, हाँ, आयरा मिड्ढा, not Aira Kapoor. Aira Kapoor has already got the Olympiad trophies. ठीक। Are you guys happy? Your face doesn't say this. Yes. Can we have a smile, beautiful smile on everybody's face? Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause, please? Please do not take your child. Nas, come here. Ashwin, come here. Be here, be here. नीचे नीचे ट्रॉफी नीचे ट्रॉफी नीचे। Thank you. Please, Anaya, Shinaya, Kanan, Gurbaz, Vivan, Shaisha, Wahinur, Rudra. This award is a Star Performer Award. These kids have performed with us for more than 2 years. Can we have a round of applause? Can we have a round of applause, please? बहुत मेहनत करते हैं बच्चे। कम। आप इधर हो। आयाना, आना, इधर हो। हाँ, यहाँ से। Thank you. Ashnoor, Riyansh, Arna, Hargun, Miraya for music and taekwondo, Manan, Harshita, Gurneet, Kushan, Sansar, Sansar. Can we have please? Ashnoor, Riyansh, and Arna.
ध्यान करना आइज में ना लगे ध्यान करना आइज
Taekwondo students Nakul, Aviraj, Fateh, Yuvak, Manvik, Yuvraj, Shivansh, Shivani, Nirvan, Taksh and Kiansh. All Taekwondo students.
फंक्शन में मिलोगे। फंक्शन वगैरह
बड़े टाइम बाद देख रहे हैं तो
All academic aides, please be on the stage. Arush, Manveer, Amazing Machanda. Upasna ji, Gulleen. Please all Zumba girls be with us. Upasna, Deepika, Tina Kapoor, Tina Buller, Harpreet, Renuka, Vibha, Gulleen, Divya, Geetu and Swati. Thank you so much for being with us today and perform so well.
अभी
आ जाएगा फाइनली इतने देर हो गई 10 मिनट से
ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ कराना है उसके लिए अवार्ड मिलेंगे सारे।
सोलो Now we call the top scorers of academics: Ritvik, Samriddhi, Riyansh, Yuvraj, Amev, Manveer, Nakul, Drishiv, Saisha, Aira, Vedanshi, Gurbaz, Arush, Rohansh and Kanan.
नहीं उन्हें अवार्ड मिलना है अभी। मैम ने रोका हुआ है पहले तो अकेडमी का मिला है ट्यूशन स्टूडेंट का मिला है।
Amev, Samriddhi, Riyansh. दो इतनी सारी चीजें
अवार्ड मिला है।
तूने फोटो नहीं खिंचा ली ऋषिका तूने फोटो नहीं खिंचा ली
ये आ ही पहले
भाई आपका बेटा मेरी बेटी को मार मारता
These kids have performed more than 90% in their academic results.
करता हूँ थोड़ी देर दो क्या करना है? अच्छा इधर इधर वेट करो ना।
इधर हमें बाय बाय रियांश युवराज सामने देखो समायरा, कियान, प्रादी, सुखदीप। समायरा, कियान, प्रादी, सुखदीप। These kids have performed more than 90% in French and English. Samaira got 95%. Sukhdeep got second position. Pradi got 91% and Kian 100 out of 100. टीचर सब पीछे खड़े होंगे, बच्चे बैठेंगे। जल्दी से आ जाओ बच्चे, सब बच्चे। एक सेकंड, ये चुके। अच्छा वो नहीं, अब मैं लेके 15th of June All parents were calling me back to back. So many calls we were getting, ma'am, कब summer camp start कर रहे हो? So we are starting from 18th. The registrations are already been started. You can take the information from the reception, and we also have a pamphlet here. So please be enrolled. All the Zumba students also please be on the stage. Upasna ji, Upasna ji. Deepika, Tina, Swati is all in. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wait. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please take the children.